Welcome back, dear viewers, to our channel dedicated to personal growth and enlightenment. Today, we have a powerful Zen story that will guide you on the path to gaining respect from others. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired. In the bustling world we live in, gaining respect can sometimes feel like an elusive goal. But the story we're about to share with you today reminds us that true respect comes not from the outside, but from within. Long ago, in a remote Zen monastery, there lived a wise and respected Zen master named Ryu. People from far and wide sought his guidance and admired his wisdom. Ryu, however, remained humble and focused on his inner journey. One day, a young man named Takeshi arrived at the monastery seeking answers. Takeshi was ambitious and craved the respect and admiration of others. He approached Ryu, hoping to gain his secret to earning respect. Takeshi said, "Master Ryu, I want to be respected by everyone. How can I achieve this?" Ryu said, "Respect, my young friend, is not something that can be acquired by seeking it outwardly. It is something that comes naturally when you cultivate your inner qualities." Takeshi said, "But Master Ryu, how can I cultivate those qualities?" Ryu said, "Patience, Takeshi. Let me share a story with you." Master Ryu began telling Takeshi a story about a simple farmer. The farmer was known for his hard work and dedication to his land. Despite facing many challenges, he always approached his work with a sense of contentment and acceptance. One day, a wealthy nobleman passed by the farmer's land and noticed his peaceful demeanor. The nobleman was captivated by the farmer's inner tranquility and approached him. Nobleman said, "Good sir, I am a man of great wealth and power, yet I find myself lacking inner peace. How is it that you, a humble farmer, seem so content?" Farmer said, "Respected nobleman, I have learned that true happiness and respect come not from the external world but from within. I find solace in the simplicity of my work and the gratitude I hold for each moment." Ryu said, "You see, Takeshi, the farmer's respect did not come from his wealth or social status. It emanated from the peace he carried within himself. Similarly, if you focus on cultivating qualities like humility, compassion, and integrity, respect will naturally follow." Takeshi said, "But Master Ryu, what about achieving success and recognition in my career?" Ryu said, "Success, my young friend, is a byproduct of dedication and commitment to your craft. When you focus on your work with sincerity and passion, others will naturally be drawn to your authenticity and respect will follow." With these profound teachings from Master Ryu, Takeshi embarked on his own journey of self-discovery and growth. He understood that gaining respect from others was not the ultimate goal, but rather a reflection of his inner qualities. As Takeshi dedicated himself to his chosen path, he began to embody the qualities of the farmer in Master Ryu's story. People took notice of his unwavering dedication, his kindness, and his genuine spirit. Respect started to flow naturally toward him. Takeshi had learned the valuable lesson that respect cannot be forced or demanded, but must be earned through inner transformation. By focusing on his own personal growth and development, he became a source of inspiration for those around him. In time, Takeshi returned to Master Ryu to express his gratitude for the wisdom he had imparted. With a humble smile, Ryu acknowledged Takeshi's growth and reminded him that true respect is an ongoing journey, rooted in self-awareness and continuous improvement. Dear viewers, remember that respect is not a destination to be reached, but rather a lifelong journey. By nurturing your inner qualities, remaining true to yourself, and approaching life with humility and authenticity, you too can inspire respect from others. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey. We hope this powerful Zen story has inspired you to embark on your own path of self-discovery and inner growth. Remember, respect begins within. Stay tuned for more empowering stories and wisdom on our channel. May you find the respect you seek by first respecting yourself.